In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a product in WooCommerce fast and easy. Managing your WooCommerce store effectively includes tidying up your product listings, and there are times when removing certain products becomes necessary. So whether it's outdated inventory, discontinued items, or simply cleaning up a mistake, I'll show you just how to do that within a few clicks. Let's start by heading over to your WordPress Dashboard. This is your primary control center for managing your site, where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll want to be on your home page of the dashboard where you can see different sections and menus that help you navigate through your site's functionalities. Now, with your dashboard open, pay attention to the menu that lines up along the left-hand side. You'll see a tab there called Products. Clicking on it will open up the options available to manage your WooCommerce store's product-related aspects. Go ahead and click on Products. This will take you a step further into the Product Management section. After clicking Products, the next thing you'll want to do is click on All Products. This will display a list of all the items you currently have in your store. Think of this as your virtual stockroom, where you can see everything neatly lined up, including both active and inactive listings. At this point, you may be staring at a list that's somewhat overwhelming, especially if you have a large catalog. Don't worry, it's easy to find the product you want to delete. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly locate the product in question. Once you've found it, hover over the product row, and you'll notice a few additional options pop up beneath the product name. Among these options, look out for the one labeled Trash. This option essentially acts as a bin where unwanted items can be placed temporarily, giving you a chance to review them before doing a permanent delete. Clicking Trash will promptly move your selected product there, removing it from your active list of items. An important tip to remember: deleting a product sends it to the trash area within WordPress, where it stays until you decide to permanently delete it or restore it. This makes the process forgiving, allowing you to revisit your decision if needed. However, always double-check that you're deleting the right product to avoid unintentional removal of your priceless inventory. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide to deleting a product in WooCommerce. Managing your online store can be a breeze once you're familiar with the tools at your disposal. Keep your product listings tidy, and your WooCommerce store will be all the better for it. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.